Fayetteville, West Virginia. I'm at the Gripper Gym. They do rock climbing, weightlifting, pickleball here. They've got 6 pickleball courts inside of a fabric building. This is a pretty typical pre-engineered steel building. It's 80 foot by 100 foot, 8,000 square feet. It's got this nice slate colored siding, and we're putting a new roof on it today. It's going to have a black roof and black trim around the outside. We'll make kind of a new appearance for the outside of the building. And we are recovering the roof. This is called a roof hugger system. It's a sub-purlin that goes over top of the existing purlins. It's made to fit the corrugations of the existing standing seam roof and give us a new frame for a new standing seam roof. So we're going to recover this whole roof with that. And then we're going to make a connection to this fabric building. And this fabric building are pickleball courts. I'm Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. Call us about your next project.